Today we're going to show you how to get your Swintech slides in with the manual override. You'll need to take and locate the Swintech box in your passenger side rear compartments. It'll tell you on it step by step how to do it. You have to press a button inside of the little square cutout beside of the lights. You'll press it 6 times, hold it on the 7th, the lights beside it will start flashing, and then use your normal slide out control switch located on the inside of the coach to retract the room. Alright, if your manual override doesn't work on your box, you can take you a jumper wire, find the power inlet on your Swintech box, unplug your retract wire from the bottom. You can leave the power plugged up, touch your jumper wire to the power wire and to the spade connector on the bottom of your Swintech box. When your slide gets ran completely in, plug your retract wire back in to lock in the motors.